That there's the wave. That there's the wave gun. Massive, isn't it? Alright, let's go. Let's kick this thing in the air. In the butt. Sorry. Carelessness will cost us all our lives. I expect all of you to stay alert and focused.
All hands alert.
There's the Druna Skass from, I'm thinking about 30 miles away. Damn. It wants me dead.
Airborne units, attack! Airborne units.
And pay attention to this. No backup. No one's already died. There's just no backup for me. Sorry. Gosh, why is it yellow? Alright. Oh no, no, no! Not already. Yikes! I'm dead.
Heavy damage.
Damn. That shit got stronger. Last time I got hit, I was dead. I mean, look at me. I'm still alive. Come on, Air Force, we gotta take it out. Tear this bastard apart. Sorry for the cussing. You know when it's about to attack because it turns slowly like this, but when it's about to open fire, it turns super fast. I'll try and get it close like that. That is how it turns when it's opening fire. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Explosion on enemy's main
Yes! Jam the wave gun up. Eat that, you piece of crap.
Enemy ship in flames.
Main battery's fired.
Explosion on enemy's
Yes!
main gun.
Come on, Air Force, keep tearing it apart.
Super weapon.
Yes! It's going down. Oh, sorry. Wave gun and rail guns. This thing would have kicked my ass if it had opened fire. I wonder why I held back. Well, that was my battle against the Druna Skass.